Hey guys, welcome back to Worst Sweets. I'm Ramesa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make those roses that I made for my rose garden cake. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'm going to leave the links in the description down below, so make sure you go check it out. And now let me show you exactly how to make these roses. So I made these roses out of fondant. So I have a little bit of marshmallow fondant that I dyed pink. And I'm going to put a little powdered sugar on my counter because the fondant doesn't stick to my counter. I'm just going to spread it out. And I'm also going to put powdered sugar on my fondant and on my rolling pin. Then I'm going to roll it out. After you finish rolling this out thin, we're going to take our heart cookie cutter and we're going to cut out as many hearts as we can because our roses need from 5 to 6 petals. And when you're done cutting out all your hearts, I have a brush here with a little water in it, and I'm putting water on one side of my heart, and I'm going to roll it to create the center of the rose. Then I'm going to take my brush again, put a little water on the center, and take another heart. I'm only going to glue one side and leave the other side open. Take my brush, put a little water on it, put water on the center and on the edge. Take your second heart. Make sure the second heart is in the center of the first heart. I'm doing it again. The same thing for the third, center of the second. And when you're done your rows, I just kept on repeating the same process until I finish all my petals. I'm just going to bend back the petals. See that piece right there is not gluing? I'm just going to put a little water to help it stick together. And then I'm going to take a knife and cut the extra bottom off. And there goes one rose. I'm going to keep on repeating this process until I finish all of my hearts. When you finish all your roses, I have a little green fondant here for the leaves. But before I start making the leaves, I'm going to take a little paper towel and cover my roses and set to the side. Then I'm going to put some powdered sugar on my surface. And I'm going to roll out my green fondant. When I'm done rolling out my green fondant, I'm going to take my cookie cutter and cut out hearts. But this time, I'm going to cut my hearts in half, so you get 2 leaves per heart. When I'm done cutting my leaves in half, I'm going to take my wooden skewer and just create the veins that's in the leaf. After I finish doing that to all my leaves, I'm going to take a spoon or anything with a round base, and then I'm going to lay my leaves across it. After I'm laying my leaves across it, I must let them dry. And that's it for my rose. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you back here next time with a recipe that blows your mind. Bye.